What's up, guys? Fun here, back with another video. Today, we're here with Ratchet and Clank, and I'm gonna start a new game, and I'm gonna go medium because yeah, I'm a medium kind of guy. Hey guys, we're going.
Created much farther away. My son's name is XJ0461, but the universe knows him as Clank.
I'm just not gonna talk during the cutscenes. I try not to because, like, I don't know. Ah, I love this guy. It's Lawrence, guys. It's Lawrence.
Stand by for sister board scan.
Alright, let's see. Favorite colors green, favorite numbers 83 billion and 4.7, blah blah blah.
Access denied. Neural safeguard activated.
No! Locked out again. Get in here, Lawrence.
By the way, this is the first ever Ratchet and Clank game I've ever played. Just want to say. I did this game first, then Tools of Destruction, and I understand that I was supposed to do it the opposite way. Yeah.
And I think it's time our partnership came to an end. Say hello to...
Not the hypersonic brainwave scrambler.
the hypersonic brainwave scrambler!
Apologies, sir. I should have mentioned the equipment is especially susceptible to sonic weaponry.
Backup generator activated.
He's awake! Stop him!
I think I gotta turn that down a little bit. Oh my gosh. This is loud. I like money. Oh, hi, Sigmund. Oh, sorry. Spoiled. Spoiled who he is. I hope you guys can hear the volume. I'm just saying. Shut up. I don't even know how to... What in the... That box... It died. I'm working on it. Jeez. Does that look like I'm doing? Just made it. It's only been 6 minutes into recording. Well, for this part at least. Hey, I found him. It's this guy. Oh. Bro, he's literally the caretaker here. He should be able to unlock the doors. Oh hey, you can see your reflection up at the top there. I didn't even realize that.
Dr. Nefarious, I should have known you were behind this. Where have you taken me? You don't recognize it? This is your home. The great
What lie did you tell the Zoe in your quest for vengeance?
Vengeance! You think I went to all this trouble for mere vengeance?
Oh, I should have turned on subtitles.
Say I make a
Jeez.
monarch. Let's just say it's all in the past.
I'm gonna turn on subtitles. I'm gonna turn on subtitles.
Right here, sir.
Ready the orb of gratuitous immobilization.
I'll turn on subtitles for you guys. Hopefully it works.
Shall I prepare the mnemonic station again?
I love Lawrence.
I have a better
Lawrence is that guy right there.
But, sir,
Patience,
That's Nefarious right here.
We have all the time in the universe.
Lawrence is the best. Hold on. Yeah, Lawrence. Obviously. Well, guys. Poggers. I'm gonna get yelled at later, probably. Uh-oh. We want to hear this, guys. We want to hear this. Oh, that's... Oh.
It's huge.
That's
So
huge.
huge, in fact, that if you lost your car keys in it, they would be almost impossible to find. Luckily for Ratchet, Captain Copernicus L. Quark was on the case. His mission, rescue the Lombax's one and only friend. Yep, without Clank, Ratchet was alone in the universe. Alone. Alone. Alone.
you realize this ship has an ejector seat, right?
I love
Sorry.
Quark too.
I guess you could say I've been a little antsy in my pantsy at the thought of getting back into the hero business. Yep. These wild stallions have been in the stable too long.
Right. Look, just keep your eyes peeled. Talon says this sector's crawling with mercenaries.
Rest easy, my friend. My vigilance is both eternal and peripheral.
Warning. Warning. Unidentified anomaly detected.
Hang on. Shifting to a basic maneuver.
Oh no, we're gonna die! We're gonna die! Oh, good thing I'm wearing clean underwear.
Will you shut up? We are not gonna die! A billion! Engage gravimetric stabilizers.
Negative. Stabilizers offline. Thrusters offline. Landing flaps offline.
Alright. No, we're gonna die.
Yeah, I should turn on the subtitles after this. Guys. That is if the subtitles actually work after I turn them on.
Hang on!
I know. So much for clean underwear.
Oh my gosh. Like, he's so dumb. Quark is so dumb.
Where the heck are we?
Beats me. Perhaps a leisurely stroll through this uncharted jungle will solve the mystery.
Yeah, I think it would solve the mystery. But hold on. Options. Game option. Yes. Subtitles on. Okay. Subtitles are now on.
Marooned on a hostile
What?
alien
Wait.
planet.
There's no rumble? Oh, there's the rumble. Sorry. I'm just making sure it works.
Terrifying evil of all. Nature itself.
Yeah.
Nature is attacking.
That was pretty cool. I actually got a 2-for-1 deal off the PSN store because
Psycho, I'm not so good with swimming.
yeah.
Just wait here. I'll find you another way across.
See, it doesn't show the subtitles.
Oh, great.
I think it only shows the subtitles for
My spandex.
well, Quark. See, I'm used to into the Nexus controls now because usually you like do this, then throw your wrench.
What's the plan anyway?
But you know what? It's fine. I'll get used to this again
Oh, there are
because I'm
ships.
cool.
See where I'm going with this?
Hey, that's pretty smart. You're gonna make a great sidekick.
I already am.
Look at this.
I'm a great
beautiful
sidekick.
Native
I am probably the best sidekick you could ever ask for.
Whoa! Quark, are you seeing this? Something is seriously wrong with this planet.
It's like time is all not working. Rumble, you stupid door!
I'll find another way around. You gonna be alright with those things on the loose?
Please, I can handle a few tiny creatures.
Watch.
Ma'am, their parents are here! You see the size of those things? They were horrible! Come on, maybe there's a hotel around here.
Dude, have you seen this as me?
What?
And I just like one-on-one them.
Compatriots' well-being, Captain Quark's noble sidekick ninja leaps from stone to stone. Below him, 6 deadly inches of crystal blue water.
That's how you take care of that, boys and girls. Guys. Quark? Oh. Do I have enough bolts for that?
Welcome back, Chief.
Oh, I do.
You're all maxed out, Chief.
I need constructor bomb.
Are you tired of having to purchase a different weapon for every occasion? Then try Grummanet's new Constructo line and take charge of your arsenal. Each weapon can be modified with any Constructo-approved upgrade. Rate of fire, ammo type, specialty triggers. If you can dream it, Constructo can deliver it. Now available in 3 flavors. The Constructo Bomb Glove, Constructo Pistol, and Constructo Shotgun.
This game.
Hey, look, they've got Grumble now. Well, at least they're civilized. You need anything? Oh, it's not one of those new Constructo. This door is ajar.
No way. Oh, what was I saying about a 2-for-1 deal? I was saying something about that, and then yeah, I got a 2-for-1 deal. Jeez, everything's interrupting me.
My children, they're in danger.
What seems to be the problem, citizen?
I thought we were fishing up the river when they attacked.
Quark, stay here. I'll go save the children.
You got it, sidekick. Smart thinking. I'll just stay here and hold the fort.
Wow, thanks, mister. My mom's over there. Oh, praise
Just wanna-
God.
Yeah, I just want to point out that when I first played this game, I thought Ratchet was a cat, but he's not, and yeah. Right, 2-for-1 deal. I had a 2-for-1 deal for only $13.50, and I got Into the Nexus and Quest for Booty for only $13.50. That is like the best deal for 2 games, full games, 2 full games for only $13.50. And I can't tell you how short Quest for Booty it was. Like, I didn't know it was gonna be that short. Okay, I watched all the cutscenes for it, but I didn't know it was gonna be that short. Hey, look at that. Constructo Plan, or whatever they're called.
It just picked up.
Yep, Constructo Mod. Sorry. There we go.
The Constructo mod.
Dude, wait,
It can be used to modify your Constructo weapons.
I can upgrade my wrench? Because that would be amazing. Because I went like the whole game before without upgrading my wrench. If you can do that. I don't know if you can.
I want to go home now.
I know you do. I'm trying to get you there.
Hey, kitty. My mom's this way, kitty. Halo. Oh, I was so worried about you. Rax is still out there with the Zyports. Please find him.
Who do you think I am? I'm like the best guy in the universe. Can you die? Thank you. about dodging these?
Are you okay, Wombat?
Yes, I am.
I think my
The best one.
mom's here.
Yeah, remember the time in I don't know, kid, if you were alive, you would know that I saved the galaxy from Tachyon and everything. So you would know that if you were alive
What are these things?
because I'm cool.
Mutated virus. Worthless. We haven't seen
You
him on
would
this
know that
planet
by
in
now.
years. Something must have happened to the Zoni. Albius, open the door.
A lot of things happened, lady.
What are you doing out here?
The Zyphoids are back. There must be something wrong with the timekeeper.
Not in front of the outsiders. Quickly, we must head into the village.
Oh my gosh, dude. I'm literally like
Creatures are the least of
friends
our
with
worries
one.
right now. One of the elders
Clank is
spotted
literally
your
at the great
Orpheus
clock.
warship.
See, the bomb is like the greatest.
These woods are no longer safe. Come, we can offer you sanctuary within these walls.
Poggers. No. Ooh. Can I join?
I saw your starship crash on the other side of the ridge. I believe we may be of assistance.
The ship's trashed. There's no way we'll be able to repair it.
Ah, but the Zoni can. Meet me at the Temple of Zan whenever you're ready. I will explain everything.
Looks like this guy was some sort of hero.
Wow, a real wombat. Welcome back, Chief.
Guys, I'm just
The
trying to.
Sonic Eruptor, this genetically mutated xenogo, is the perfect weapon for crowd control of a destructive nature. Firing the weapon at a group of enemies will unleash a deadly and destructive mating call. For added kick, try squeezing the trigger when the xenogos lungs are full. The Sonic Eruptor, available only in Growment. Your starship is not beyond repair, but fixing it will take powers beyond anything this universe has ever seen. Powers not to be taken lightly. Can you keep a secret?
What if I said no? I hate you. It's
These
fine.
Zoni are powerful creatures, capable of almost anything, but they are also hive minds and must be kept together for their energy to work. Inside is a vessel which will allow you to rescue lost Zoni and harness their bioenergy. Follow me and don't touch anything.
Can I have that magical wand of yours, sir? I like magical wands.
We have to seal you inside until you recover the vessel. Are you sure you don't want to stay here? We have a lovely miniature golf course.
I'll be fine. Bork, link it to my nav. We'll stay in radio contact.
Copy that. Operation Red Shirt is a go. All right. The key to surviving situations like this is to avoid phrases like, it's too quiet in here, or everything's going to be all right.
That's great to know.
I'm through. Let's hope this vessel is worth it.
According to the chief, it's one of a kind, brought to this dimension by Ormus and entrusted to the Fongoids.
And he's sure it'll fix Helium?
He said it'll do a lot more than that. Zoni bioenergy is the most powerful resource in the Omniverse.
Yo, guys, look. It's the jar. It's the jar. Here's my save point.
Whoa! Bork, there are 2 Zoni in here.
Those poor lost little creatures. See if you can grab one with your wrench and stuff it into the vessel.
I got it. Don't worry. Guys, it's okay.
Got it.
Nice work, Ratchet. Operation Red Shirt is a success.
I know it's a success. Because I am the greatest player of this game. Totally. Like the greatest. Ooh, that was risky. But I got through without losing any health. And I am the best. I am the greatest player of this game. Well, I mean, it's on medium, so obviously. Hey guys.
I mean, you survived.
Well done. The vessel is yours. Come, there is one more zombie we put in the old armory for safekeeping. Our guards discovered it wandering around the waterfront. It can help you repair your ship.
Yo guys, look, it's shits.
Quick! Everyone inside the temple! Ocelot is coming!
Alright, Cork. You ready to let those stallions out of the
guys.
stable?
I was born ready.
Whoa, wait.
Dr. Nefarious has no authority here, villain. In fact, I'm not even entirely convinced he's a real doctor. So return my sidekick's power before I bring the thunder. You win again, technology.
Oof. I'm gonna pause it right here, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash the like button and hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. And I'll see you guys in the next video.